I checked with my secretary to see the status of the computer being repaired. I've told her, and I've told her several times, that it has to be done by next week because we got to get the billing out. You know, the billing is our lifeblood, money. How am I going to pay the paychecks, etc.? She said she's waiting for a call from this company. So the phone just rang. Thank God. She handed the phone to me. She said they wanted to talk to the man in charge. I said, hello, this is Mr. Scoville. I'm the president of this company. I really need this computer fixed. Then a voice came on. Please turn off any noise-making machinery, fans, TV, radios, etc. I need your total concentration about this problem. What I need you to do is to think of the computer problem. Now, you may think that that is a silly request, but it isn't. Our system is the most sophisticated in the world. We are the biggest repair company in California, almost in the United States. We work differently. So please think of your computer problem. I hear a fan on over there. Turn that off. Okay, now, because, you know, our system reads your brain waves. And if you don't think properly, it won't work. Now, please, again, take a moment and pause and think. Think of what is wrong with your computer. I'm going to give you like 15 seconds of complete silence. Okay, now we have got every brain wave that you have sent to us, and our next function is to analyze it. This will only take about 10 seconds. That's how thorough our machine is. Quiet, please. I am very sorry to announce that our machine and system cannot diagnose or repair your computer. The reason is not because of our machine or our system or our program. It is because of you. Your brain waves are not properly functioning. Now, stay tuned after this tape is over and listen to the program that is on how to improve your brain waves. I want you to watch that tape very carefully. And once you have watched it and understood it, give us a call back again. Now, we will be sending you a bill for attempting to repair your computer. Thank you very much for your services. What services? I never... Hang up that phone.